Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jeff from Jeff Tech. Samsung Singapore have invited me to their S23 series of phones, the launch event, their experience space, and yes, it's a fun feeling 2 days event. The photos and video of this year Galaxy S23 series is phenomenal. Yes, it's that much of an improvement. Alright, and after the second day of the event, we got my review set. This year around, actually, they have quite a few numbers of colors for the especially the S23 Ultra. It's crazy. This time around, you don't need to wait for like exclusive color for like 1-2 weeks or 3-4 weeks later before they launch the exclusive online color. This time around, during launch, Samsung give all the way to you, which is the normal retail color. There is green, phantom black, lavender, which is the light purple this year, not deep purple like the previous year. And what I have here is the cream color. Alright, this is just 4 color for the retail, so-called like normal version. Alright, and they have the 4 exclusive online color. The online exclusive color, they have the graphite, sky blue and red, which is similar to last year S22 Ultra, but this year there's a very refreshing color, which is a lime color. It's something like a lime green, which is very refreshing, very beautiful. Alright, you guys can go and take a look at Samsung.com. No matter which country you are in, go Samsung.com of your that country to pre-order and to take a look at all the impressive color. Alright, so let's unbox this. Let's do it. Alright, you can see here S23 Ultra. Alright, and the pen is almost invisible in certain angles. It's so cool. It's a cream color. At the side it says Galaxy S23 Ultra. Alright, Samsung. On top is nothing. Behind is all those, like, you know, as usual. And let's unbox it. Yeah, S23 Ultra. So this side of the, on top of the box, what we have here, alright, instruction manuals all here, and the SIM card pin, C2C cable. Alright, let's put that aside. And what you guys want to see here is this guy. So yeah, this is the cream color, my friend. At certain angle, actually it shines a bit like, you know, especially the ring there shines a bit of silver and a bit of gold color. It's a cream color. Depends on the different angle you look at it. Alright, and yes, yeah, this is the moment. I love the peeling of the, yeah, the stickers. Alright, and let's take a look. On top there's a mic here. As usual, left hand side there's nothing. At the bottom here we have the S Pen, right? The bottom firing speaker. Left and right there's 2 mics, USB-C port, and this SIM card slot. Alright, and on the right hand side, as usual, Samsung fashion, there's this power button here, the volume rocker, and yes, as many people are saying that there's not much changing. Yes, the design is, you may look identical, but there's quite a few subtle changes, but subtle changes makes the experience much more better. Alright, Let me explain to you one by one. The first one is over here. Last year S22 Ultra. Here the laser autofocus here on top. That's true. On top here, there's a red color laser. But this year they make it all black. There's no more red dot there. Alright. Actually, you see that it's quite fantastic in a way that the camera, alright, they just, you know, just higher a bit ever so slightly. I've compared my friend S22 Ultra and the S23 Ultra. You can see that it's still very, very subtle of, like, you know, the pop out of the ring. It's very, very small as compared to, you know, Apple, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, especially this year 14. You see how tall the camera module pop up compared to what we have on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra here. They've done a fantastic job. If you compare like S22 side by side, it's only just a little bit, yes, but you got a 200 megapixel here, my friend. It's not like the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 48 megapixel. This is 200 megapixel compared to 48. It's 3 times more. And if you even compare to last year, S22 Ultra is 2 times more. But you look at iPhone 14 Pro Max, the camera module is huge, enormous. So beside the main camera, 200 megapixel, you have the ultra wide, 12 megapixel. Alright, both the 3 times and 10 times optical zoom with both 10 megapixel. Alright, and because, yeah, you guys may like saying like, oh, it's only the main camera is 200 megapixel, there's not much change, but because it comes with the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, all the ISP and everything have been greatly improved. So when I'm taking photos with these at the launch event, the 2 days launch event, I was really impressive about how much improvement they are. Check out my previous 4 to 5 video of the launch event. I've tested the zoom camera as well, the day and night photos. You guys will be, you saw that, you'll be exciting about this phone. Alright, and one small subtle change, but the so-called, how do I say, the handling is so much better now. You can see that it's actually flat here this year. Okay, see from this angle, it's flat. It's not as like last year. It's so rounded, and when you hold that, you will feel like it's very big. But this year, because they make it not fully square, 90 degrees like the iPhone, that kind of, you know, razor cutting like 90 degrees square. This is, you see the contour on the side here? It's a nice small contour going through, and the handling is better. I can only tell you so much on my video here. You really got to go and, you know, put it in your hand yourself, go and grab it in your hand, then you'll feel like, oh, it's totally different because of the squarish frame. It's so nice to hold. You just blend into your hand. Alright guys, this will be just a simple unboxing to show you guys what is inside the package of the latest Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And yep, if you like to take a first impression look of the camera, the day photo, night photos, you can go to my previous 4 to 5 video, which I will link it at the end of the video to let you guys straight away click there to take a look. Okay, more content coming soon. I will do another so-called like detailed day and night photo as well. I would like to fully, you know, see what kind of nice photo I can get with this phone. I'm super excited about it. Alright guys, there's still others like gaming test and final review coming up soon also. Alright, so as usual, take care my friend, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you again. Bye bye.